Do a video. It's like, there he goes. Little Bam Bam is going to dump the pool. He's in.
I think we're going to slowly empty the pool first and then melt the rest.
I think that's his plan. Starting with the toys. Toys out. Where you going, Jacob? I'm gonna go cool Daddy off now.
I can't help but notice you're all wet. It's okay.
I'm going back in for another round.
So you gonna be okay without sun repellent?
I think for just a few minutes. We won't keep him out long. I mean, I wouldn't keep him out more than 15 minutes or so. But
Okay.
he'll get his vitamin D.